Look at what UPS just delivered today, right on time. Let's check out the new green iPhone 12 together. Hi, this is David of Techful Baba, a channel I share my experiences on how technology enhances my time with kids and family as a dad. If this is your first time here, welcome. Please consider subscribing. Just a quick unboxing and first impressions video on the new green color iPhone 12 we just got today. If you haven't decided, I posted an earlier video on simple criteria you can use to decide which iPhone 12 to get. I'll link it here and below in the descriptions. First thing you notice, the box is indeed much smaller than before because Apple is no longer including the charger. Here's an old iPhone box for comparison. Nice touch that the picture of the phone has green graphics to show that this is a green color iPhone 12 inside. Again, Apple packaging is amazing. Supposedly the cover of the box is engineered and made with such precision so it could be lifted off easily. Wow, that's a nice light pastel green color. iPhone 12 comes in 5 colors: black, white, product red, and the 2 new colors, green and blue. Now that we've seen it in person, we're glad we went with the green. I really like it. It's a bright and happy color. Again, there's no more charger inside. There's just the charging cable. It's an USB-C to Lightning. And inside here, a tool to take out the SIM card and a sticker. This new or old flat edge design looks nice and clean. It looks just like an old iPhone 5S I have here. With the iPad Pro and the new iPad Air all getting this flat edge treatment, this will likely be the design language for iPads and iPhones at least for the next few years. Here is how it compares with the product red 10R. The screen is the same size at 6.1 inches. However, the new iPhone 12 is actually a little bit smaller than the 10R due to the new flat edge design and thinner bezels. It feels lighter too. The iPhone 12 is 5.78 ounces and the 10R, just like the 11, is about 6.84 ounces. It'll take some getting used to again. It seems a bit more slippery with these flat edges, but I think this new old design looks better and more modern. What do you think? Do you like the new flat edge design or the smoother, rounder edges? Let me know in the comment section below. The edge of iPhone 12 is aluminum, so it doesn't show fingerprints. However, the back glass is clear, and within seconds, we can see fingerprints all over it. I think most of us will have a protective case over the phone, so this is not a big concern. I do like how the camera cluster is frosted to give it more depth. Beside the color and shape, the difference in screen is also obvious. Even though the screen is the same size as the iPhone 10R and 11, iPhone 12 screen has been upgraded from LCD to OLED Super Retina XDR display. OLED displays have much more contrast, so colors look much better. Images have more depth to them. By the way, I heard many have a hard time activating the phone earlier today. They keep on getting stuck at confirming the phone number even after they waited for a long time and reset it and restarted the phone many times. It looks like it may be a widespread issue. I'll put a link in the description below on a forum discussing this issue in case you also encounter the problem. That's it for now. Time to set it up and try out all the new features. If you're wondering which iPhone 12 to get, I highly recommend considering this regular iPhone 12 model first. Check out my earlier video linked below if you're interested in finding out why. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, please smash the like button and share. Are you upgrading to a new iPhone this year? Which model and color are you considering? Leave me a comment below. If you want to see more videos on how technology can enhance our life with kids and family, please subscribe and turn on the bell. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, cherish each moment.